Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing something a little bit special today, a little bit fun. Just kind of, I want you guys to guess what we'll be doing today. Just guess. Just guess. Jackie. As you guys can tell, we are going to be doing the YouTuber tag, following a YouTuber's makeup tutorial. This tag or this challenge was started by the YouTuber by the name of Thomas Helbert. I believe I'm pronouncing his name correctly. But yeah, he created this tag and I'll leave all his information below. And also I will leave Jackie Aina's tutorial that I'm going to be I guess you would say following below. If you don't know who Jackie Aina is, she is an amazing YouTuber. She has been in the game for a very long time. I've known her since she's been Jackie Aina, Jackie O, Little Pumpkin Pie, some numbers after that. Like, I've been following her for that long, so I'm a dedicated subscriber and I am definitely a big fan of hers.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jackie O. Jackie. How you doing, skin? Can I just have a quick moment of appreciation for the way my skin looks lately? I'm not gonna let a couple scars here and there stop me from being great. Sheer Glow right now is like...
Okay, so she's starting with Sheer Glow. I haven't tried that foundation. I do not have it. Well, the foundation that I have that's, I guess, most comparable to that, let's do the MAC Pro Longwear Nourishing Waterproof Foundation.
I just also say it's funny how the one foundation that I was hesitant to try for years because I thought it was probably...
Alright, so she's putting it on with and I actually have the brush that she's using. This is the NYX 03 brush. So she used 3 pumps, so 1, 2, okay, that would be about 3 pumps of foundation right there, and we're just going to apply that all over her face. No primer, anything like that. She didn't put on a primer, and see where she goes from there. All right, so we have the foundation on. Let's see.
So I've actually been using hazelnut as kind of like a corrector, also to keep my upper lip area.
Okay, so I do not have I have hair here, so I'm not gonna put concealer on top of my hair. So we're just gonna completely skip this step that she's doing with the whole color correcting situation.
Okay guys, I want you to fill in the blank. Now I'm gonna highlight with my Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade
Amande.
Okay. A lot of people say for highlighting using 1 to 2 shades.
Love this concealer. It's like the best concealer ever. Alright, so just like Jackie, she brings her concealer like all the way down and all the way back. I typically don't like do all the way down and all the way back. I kind of just typically stay like up here, but that's what we're doing, and let's see what she's doing now. I love her so much. Okay, so what she's doing now, she's just taking a lighter concealer. She has 3 dots. Okay, she's going back into the Creamy Radiant, and she's making... Oh goodness, my forehead is gonna look so huge.
Now I regret throwing caramel under my eye. I should have just used walnut, but I forgot I had these. Dang, I'm gonna put it on anyway. Just a little bit.
She's putting on more concealer, so I'm just going back in.
So if I wanted to contour, I would take...
Okay, we're moving on to contour. What's she contouring with?
But wait, there's more. I'm gonna take a little bit of dark coffee.
Okay, so I don't have a darker NARS Creamy Radiant, so for contour, I do have a cream contour here. We're gonna do the Fenty Beauty Espresso Matchstick, and we're just gonna use that to contour.
You're gonna blend out the contour with another clean NYX brush.
Okay, well, I'm already boxed into my little studio situation, so this is gonna use the same NYX brush as we were using before.
Naturally, what I'm doing with these concealers is getting it to make up for the fact that our face is not one tone, you know? Like,
that is true, our face is not one tone. She is definitely correct. So she's blending out the highlight now. Oh, she's going way too fast. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish blending out this highlight, and then we're gonna go on with the next part of her video.
Alright, so I'm gonna take a little bit of
Alrighty, so I don't have the Beauty Bakery powder, but I do have good old Laura Mercier. I know she definitely uses this. This is the Laura Mercier Medium Deep. She didn't primer anything today, so like so we didn't do her typical like setting the face with powder, all that situation. So I'm surprised she didn't do that in this video.
Later on, I'm gonna poke out my upper lip area to set it with
That's
powder.
the way she does.
I do the same thing for my smile lines. I'm going to take my Colored Rain Queen of Hearts palette.
Okay,
I'm going to use Landship, which is this kind of fuchsia purple color here. I'm going to start working that into my...
So for that deeper purple, I might have to use a few different palettes just to kind of get the look that she's going for. But I'm going to go in with the MAC Burgundy ×9 palette and go into this shade right here. It's kind of like a purpley shade. Did she even do primer? No, she did not do primer. Okay. Now me and Jackie, we have two different eye shapes. My eyes are way smaller than hers, and she has way more real estate than I do. So I mean, hopefully this look looks exactly like the look that she plans on making.
I'm going to take Noble Woman, which is this jewel tone.
Alright, so now she's taking that Noble Woman color, which is kind of like a jewel tone, like pinky color. Let's see what I have that kind of looks similar to it. Okay, yeah, following tutorials is like really hard. I never actually followed a tutorial before, but I definitely feel for you guys. Like for those who like look for tutorials and want to follow the tutorial to the T. Like this is really hard. So she's taking like a short shader brush, and I'm gonna take the shade Cherry Top from MAC, and she's putting it on her lower lash line. Okay, so now she's still in the Color Rain palette. She's taking that color Queen Mother, and it's like a purpley kind of shade. So the closest thing to what she has is gonna be this color. This is from like an old Anastasia palette, the Self-Made palette, and she is packing it all over her lid. Okay, so now we have that purple eyeshadow on all over the lid. I mean, honestly, I'm not mad at the look at all. It doesn't match hers exactly, but I mean, you know, this is me being like a regular person. And, you know, sometimes you just got to get as close as possible. So let's see what she's going to do next.
Switch over to my Makeup for Melanin Girls Pressed Glitter palette.
I can already tell you guys now, I do not have any glitters.
Now, so freaked me out. I've seen some other brands do these, and
okay.
I'm like, how the heck do they get the glitter? I'm confused. Roll it around. I like using my fingers. I haven't attempted to use this with a brush, but I can only imagine fingers.
Okay, so I don't have any glitters, but I do have loose pigments. Not the same thing, obviously, but I'm gonna do a similar color as she's doing. I'm gonna go in the MAC loose pigment in fuchsia, and just like she has on her finger, I'm just gonna dip in here with my finger. Okay, let me use my pinky finger because my eyes are small. Okay. Alright, so to save this little catastrophe that just happened on my lids, I'm just going to do a little bit of blending. I'm going to cheat a little bit. I'm just going to do a little bit of blending because I want it to look at least a little decent. So just blending that right there in the crease area.
I'm gonna throw on some Lily lashes in the style.
Okay, so now she's putting on lashes. I'm not gonna put on lashes, but I will go off camera and put on a heavy coat of mascara because she has lashes out of this world, and I cannot compare with my tiny small lashes. So we are going to skip that part.
Yes.
Okay, so she's going into liquid blush. I don't have a liquid blush, so I'm just gonna go into these two shades right here. It looks similar to kind of what she's using.
Using my LeBron's Diamond Glow Powder from Artist Couture. I'm not gonna go.
Alright, so she's adding the Artist Couture Le Bronze to her cheeks right now. I don't have Le Bronze, but I have a Le Diamante powder. No, but seriously, this right here is just a mixture of different highlights that I just crushed together and blended together. I will leave that link down below.
She loves.
All right, definitely agree with her. Inner corner highlight is a must. It just helps bring everything together, and it opens my eyes up since I have such small eyes. Now she's taking a reddish liquid lipstick, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply that. And I'm actually using Carnivorous by MAC. Okay, and I'm just taking like a more pinkier one, like and just putting that in the center. And what I'm using now is the Wet n Wild liquid catsuit and give me mocha in applying that where she's applying her lighter shade.
That's the final look.
Okay, so
Basic
you just magically did your brows. I know her brows are microbladed, but she didn't cover brows in this video, so we are not gonna do brows. Alright guys, so this is the completed look. Alright guys, so I definitely had fun doing this little challenge. Like I said, I will leave Thomas Helbert and Jackie Aina's channels and videos linked down below in the description bar. Also, if you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up because I definitely enjoyed it. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends and follow my social media pages. That is Snapchat and Instagram at DIAMANTEDUANE. And I will catch you guys later in another video. Bye.